Top of the morning to you. Today is Monday, February 22nd, and this is week 5 of the semester already. This week you have 3 assignments. The first one is the research module, and the assignment is its confirmation bias response. Now you also have Bedford 7 through 9 this week. And I wanted to make sure you know this is not chapter 7, 8, and 9. It's entry 7, 8, and 9. And just to make sure you're clear on that, entry 7 is chapters 53 to 55. Entry 8 is chapters 56 through 57. And entry 9 is chapter 7. Okay, so if you look at your prompt, it'll tell you which chapters for which entry. That's 15-point assignment, and the research module is a 15-point assignment. Now, your biggest assignment for this week is Macbeth, Acts 1 and 2, and hopefully you have gotten your No Fear Shakespeare copy of the play, and you're going to be this week working on 30 quotations from Acts 1 and 2, working in groups. Okay, so there are going to be 4 groups in this class, 3 of 5 people, and 1 group of 6 people. And I've got information for you on how to do the groups. Okay, so we did send you an email on Canvas, and you will find your groups based on that document. They will be in that document. Now, by the end of the week, each group will submit 1 document for grading. It is up to the group members to decide who does what. That is, who's going to do which quotes, and who is going to submit the 30 quotes. You will work together, each of you doing a certain number of quotations as you break it up with your group members, and then put it all together to turn into me by next Sunday night. You're going to use a shared Word document, that's Office 365, to collaborate and enter your quote explanations. Office 365 is in Canvas. Okay, group information is also on the People's tab, in case students don't know what the groups are, in case any of you don't know what your groups are. And you, as a group, each of you, or as a group, you guys will use Zoom or Canvas or emails or texting to communicate with each other. You need to work that out as you go this week. And I really do recommend that you read Acts 1 and 2 before you start doing the quotes. What's nice is you have the Shakespeare on the left as you go into the book, and plain English on the right, which really helps you to understand the quotations. So this makes the assignment reasonable to do, because it's not just cold, hard Shakespeare by itself. The No Fear Shakespeare book is extremely helpful in understanding the play. Okay, so once more, 4 groups, and I wanted to read part of the prompt. Your end goal with after you've read the whole play and done all the quotations in a few weeks, you will be writing an essay wherein you use 10 of the quotes, and I do have a prompt for that. Let me just give it to you so you know where you're heading. In a 3-page minimum, 3 pages essay, using standard MLA format, you'll discuss a characterization of Macbeth and Lady Macbeth. with a compare contrast of the two characters in their descent into madness or insanity. And you will be using quotations to help develop the essay. So let's say you have a 6 or 7 paragraph essay. Within the body, you'll incorporate and integrate 10 quotations to help explain your topic and develop your topic. And again, you'll use at least 10 quotations. So here to kind of sum up, just to give you a head start on understanding the play and what you're going to be writing. In the play, Macbeth and Lady Macbeth take two different paths in descending into insanity. Lady Macbeth is the strong one when it comes to planning and executing the murder of King Duncan fairly early in the play. But it does not take her too long to completely regret her part in Macbeth's murders, which include the King Duncan. Now, Macbeth, on the other hand, starts out as a man of humanity and compassion. He doesn't want to kill King Duncan. But after he murders Duncan, he quickly slips into murderous madness, motivated by the witches. You'll learn all about the witches. They really help make the story. So we see that as a result of their horrendous deeds, both characters become insane and eventually are met with death. So I've kind of given away what happens in the story, but since it's Shakespeare, the more comprehending you can have on it, the better. And that actually is it for this week. You know that you can email me or on Canvas, email me on as well. And again, you'll find the group that you're in the email I sent you, or you can go to the People's tab and the People tab to see who your group members are. Then you all will get together and collaborate on who's going to do which quotations, and then you'll share those with each other. And then again, one person will send the 30 quotes to me by next Sunday. And that is that for this week. And hope you have a good week. Have fun with Shakespeare. Hopefully the No Fear Shakespeare will make it enjoyable and not just a chore. Okay, and the essay is going to be really straightforward. So we will talk to you next Monday. And if there are any questions, I did not set up the chat box. So any questions, email me. Okay, take care now.